guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to review about the Ferbuee voice amplifier, and let's go ahead and get started. So this is the box. Let's see what's inside. So first we have the manual, and then this little styrofoam to protect the product. We do have the headset. So this is the Ferbuee device. This is how it looks like. It has a little handle here, and this is the back. You can see it has so many connectivity there, and it does comes with the antenna because this has an FM function. Okay, let's check for more. And this is the strap that you can use to carry your voice amplifier with you. So this is like adjustable. You can adjust it over here. You want it longer or shorter. Okay. Next, what do we have here? This is the USB cable charger. So yeah, that's all that came in the box. So let's go ahead and check what are the functions of these. Let's go ahead and check what are the functions of these. So let's go ahead. So let me fix my hair a little bit. And look at this lights right here. It's flickering. It's very, very nice. And the volume, as you can hear, my voice is really loud. And here at the back you can see the USB connection. Here on the top you can put your mini SD card and the USB stick right here, and then the power cable is right there. And this right here, you can connect your USB stick. And let's go ahead and test the FM radio. So you just have to stretch a little bit of this antenna and you press the mode. Okay, right now I pressed the button. So it's scanning all the radio stations. So that's how it is. Now I click the record button, so you can record any voice or music. Now we're gonna go ahead and check the USB. So I have a USB here. We're gonna plug it at the back right here.
U-disc display.
So it automatically plays. So make sure the volume is a little bit low. Guys, so I have here, this is my memory card. We're gonna put it right here, so we're gonna have to press it.
Card display.
Okay, so it's now playing. It's a really loud Bluetooth speaker, and can you hear me, guys? So we're gonna try the Bluetooth connection.
Bluetooth mode.
So right now we're gonna test the
Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Okay, we're gonna connect the Bluetooth right now. So this is the Bluetooth name. The name is LY042, so it's connected. So I just put the volume a little bit low, but if you want to hear it really loud, that's how loud the music. Okay, and now I'm going to show you the strap. I already connected the strap. Handheld, always put the strap. So this is how it looks like when you put it on your chest. So this is my quick review about the Ferbuee. It does have a lot of functions. It does come with 3 colors. We have the black, red, and blue. So this one is black. I really liked it, and I really like the style, and it has this fun blinking lights. It's beautiful. So last thing I want to mention, it does come with a rechargeable battery. Okay, put the battery in the right position. It like if it's on the negative, put it on the side of negative, and then it's one of put the other side on the positive. Because if you put it the wrong way, it could damage the device and it doesn't cover with the warranty. That's what I read in the manual, so I'm just letting you guys know. You can charge the device 2 to 3 hours. You can use this device up to 6 hours. And the headset charging time is 1 to 2 hours. Usage is 3 to 4 hours. And play a music up to 8 to 10 hours. So this is so good. Especially if you're going outdoors, this is very good to bring with. I really like it though. It's cute. So here's the Ferbuee. And I did have a quick review about the product. I hope you guys like it. And if you're interested in buying this product, I will put the link down below on my description box. Thank you so much, Ferbuee, for sending me this product, and I really enjoy reviewing your product. I love all the functionality, and the quality of this product is extremely great. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to see more of my video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to like and share. You can also follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye for now!